About what you should do with the money that you make from crypto games that are popularly called airdrops today. One of such crypto games are Hamster Kombat, another one is the Goats, another one is the Cat, another one is the X Empire, another one is the Blum, another one is on and on and on. We have them. We have the meme fee, and many others that are ongoing. May I have a friend who started with just one and he made some money from that one, and then currently he told me he's doing 7 of these airdrops, crypto airdrops. Many youths and adults are, even children, are into these crypto games today. And I've explained in the previous video what the essence and how this works. Now, many are going to be cashing out in the next few weeks, getting 30,000 naira, 40,000 naira, 50,000 naira, or rupees, or dollars, or as the case may be, whatever amount, or in whatever currency. After getting this money, what are you going to do with the money? Many youths, I can tell you, are going to go to big eateries and eat off the money. Many also are going to go to good boutique where they can get good clothes, wears, top, and shorts, and trousers, and pants, and shoes, and many other bodily accessories. These are good ways to spend the money, but I want to share with you in this video 5 ways by which you should spend or invest the money that you made from crypto airdrops at this time. Number one way you should spend the money is to take out the money you have used for your data so that you can use it for another data at another time. And number 2 way is to take part of the money also to give to charity. Look for those who really desperately need the money, and you know that there's a good cause that some people are running, or just give it to people anyhow that you deem fit. You work for the money, you should decide who gets the money, the free money from you also. So this is a way of giving back to the community and giving back to nature. Then the third way you should spend the money is look at some personal needs that you have, just to augment and to improve your life with another percentage. It can be 10, it can be 15, and so you put that in that. Then the fourth one is that you need to consider another angle. Now, these crypto airdrops are not just listing for listing's sake. When they listed, they are saying we have come to the market to stay. Previously, it was a game. Previously, it was an airdrop. Now, they have come into the market, and the crypto is now tradable, and that is why you're able to trade it and get paid immediately once they list. Now, somebody is buying the crypto from you, and the person that buys the crypto from you is paying you. And what happens is that the person that buys the crypto from you is investing. Is investing in the future, believing that the crypto that is sold for 0.002, that's listed for $0.002 today, in the next 1 year or next 2 years or next 6 months, it can become $0.1. It can become $1, it can become $2, and that person is investing. You also, why can't you take a fraction of that money that you make, about 50% or more, and invest it in the same crypto to invest? You leave it there and let it appreciate over time. Now, let me tell you, I used to say this when Bitcoin started. It was less than $1, and people were skeptical. But those who were not skeptical, they went for it and they bought it, and they stayed put, and they stayed there, and they stayed there, and they stayed there. Eventually, what did we find out? We found out that this cryptocurrency, which is called Bitcoin, eventually now it's everywhere in the market, and currently it's in the range of $55,000 to even it has reached at a point it got to $65,000 just per coin of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is said to be the Baba, is said to be the highest, it's said to be the chief. In fact, Bitcoin is synonymous with cryptocurrency. What I'm saying is that If you really believe in crypto and you've taken your time to look at to do the crypto airdrops, now you got the money for free. Why are you not going to invest money also in crypto? Leave it in that very crypto and let it run for a few years. And then you can do more airdrops and be taking a cut gradually from each of them and be leaving some also in there. Let me tell you something that is important. Don't forget your crypto address. Don't forget your exchange address and all the details that you use to log in and everything. Don't forget them. You keep them intact and you write them outside of social media. You have a sheet of paper or you have a Word document or you save it on Google Drive and you save it there and then so that at any time you can fall back on it and get all your passwords and everything. So you keep your password safe, you change it from time to time, you update your personal means of identification, you update it so that because the crypto exchanges may be asking you to provide all this with time. So these are some of the things you can do with the money that you make from crypto airdrops at this time. There's a particular individual that is my mentor, and then he said he did not know that there's money in book publishing. And those days, not now. There's still money in book publishing today, but not as before because the internet today has made publishing to become something else. So what people are moving to now is video and audio on the internet are what are selling today. But the main books they are still selling, but not as much as before. When the internet was not the main thing, it was not in vogue. So what this individual said was that he went to he used to do free seminars where he speaks freely to people, and then when he speaks at these free seminars, what happens is that he comes around and after the free seminar, he will come around and discuss with people on ways to make how to make money or some investment or some things that are of interest or people want to know how to make money. So he organized a free program on October 1, Nigerian's Independence Day is a public holiday. He organized another one on January 1. He organized another one at other major public holidays in Nigeria. So during those times, workers that have money and are on salary, they are able to attend the program. So he introduced some programs to them that he is doing, and then from there, they will cash in and then they will start doing the program. Now, this man said he went for a program in Abuja just like that, and then when he does the free program, he has written a lot of books, so he will display the books and then he will sell 50% discount. Definitely, he will make like 20% or 30% definitely from the books apart from the printing cost. Now, he said he went to Abuja and then the first time he made more than 500,000. It's a long time ago, 500,000 naira that he made. Then he said to himself, this money that I made in Abuja, it must not follow me out of Abuja. So he asked, where can he buy land? And then they showed him where he can buy land. And he bought land. They bought land in Abuja with that money. So this is what he does. When he goes for a program, he makes a huge chunk of money. He will use to buy land and secure the land. He will go here, he will use to buy land and on and on. Now you are taking part in different crypto airdrops. Don't waste the money. Use the money for something tangible. And how do I mean tangible? You made the money from crypto airdrops. Let it remain in the coin that you made the money from. Let it remain in that coin. That coin is going to appreciate. So leave it, let it appreciate. When it appreciates, then you can go on to now begin to spend and be able to spend from the earnings that you have made, not just directly from what you make. Now, this is how salary earners are poor. They earn salary, they eat it up. Earn salary, eat it up, not to invest. Please try to invest at this time what you make from your crypto airdrop. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun. I bring you content on this channel on how to make money online and offline. My focus at this very time is on airdrops, crypto airdrops. That's free money just by playing games and investing some of your time. You do not need to spend money. All you need is your phone that is internet enabled. You need Telegram, and then you need some other things. You need your be able to see online for some time to play some games, to do some tasks, and then you get free money. I will talk to you in the next one. If you have any questions or comment for me, Drop it in the comment section below. I've spoken about many businesses you can do. You can also take part of this money made from these crypto airdrops and put it into those businesses I've spoken about on this channel before. I will talk to you in the next one. This video popping up by the side is the next you need to see. See you in the next one. Bye bye.